You're here. True zero. No money, no connections, no momentum. Just you. And this is exactly where every empire begins. Because zero isn't the end, it's the reset. And I'm going to show you exactly how to build from it, step by step. Before we start, let me destroy a lie you've been told. They told you starting from zero is the hardest part. That's not true. Starting from zero is the easiest part because you have nothing to protect, no reputation to maintain, no image to defend. The hardest part is staying at zero. Most people choose to stay there, not because they can't move, but because moving hurts. So the question isn't, can I build from zero? The question is, am I willing to do what zero demands? Most people fail, not because they're weak, but because they don't know where to start exactly. Step 1, audit the wreckage. You can't build until you know what you're building on. And right now, you're standing in the ruins of your old self. Write 3 lists. List 1, what I have. And I mean everything, not just money, skills, time, energy. 1 friend who believes in you. List 2, what I lost, the job, the relationship, the confidence. Write it all down, because you can't move forward if you're pretending the past didn't happen. List 3, what I control. This is the only list that matters, because everything you'll build comes from this. Now you know where you are, but knowing isn't enough, because knowing your position doesn't move you from it. Step 2, the 90-day isolation protocol. For the next 3 months, you disappear, not physically, digitally. No posts, no updates, no performing, because you can't build a new foundation while people are still watching the old one crumble. Every great structure is built behind walls. During these 90 days, you focus on 3 things only. First, income stability, not wealth, stability. Get any job that pays rent, any job that stops the bleeding. Pride is a luxury you can't afford yet. Uber, warehouse, night shifts, doesn't matter. What matters is you survive to build. Second, skill development. 1 skill, that's it. Not 10 courses, not 5 side hustles. 1 skill the market will pay for. Every day, 2 hours minimum, non-negotiable. Third, physical reset. Your body is a weapon, but right now it's broken. Sleep. Train, eat clean, not for looks, for capacity. Because when your body is strong, your mind believes it can handle what's coming. 90 days, 3 focus areas, 0 distractions. But here's what nobody tells you. Day 10, you'll hate yourself. Step 3, the accountability architecture. You will fail, not because you're weak, but because discipline alone isn't enough. You need systems, not motivation, systems. System 1, daily non-negotiables. 5 things you do before anything else, no exceptions. Wake time, skill work, physical training, income work, 1 page of writing. System 2, the evidence journal. Every night, you write what you did, not what you felt, what you did. Because in 3 weeks, when the voice says you're not making progress, you'll have proof it's lying. System 3, the single witness. Find 1 person, not a crowd. 1, someone who's building. 2, someone who won't let you lie to yourself. Once a week, 10 minutes. What did you do? What's next? That's it. No cheerleading, just accountability. You have the structure, you have the system, but there's one more thing, the thing that separates those who rebuild from those who stay broken. And this thing will ask you to kill a part of yourself. Step 4, the identity shift. You are not who you were. The person who ended up at 0 made certain decisions, held certain beliefs, lived a certain way. And that person cannot build what you want to build. So you don't improve the old you kill it, and you build someone new. Not through affirmations, through action. Every time you do the thing the old you wouldn't do, the new identity strengthens. Woke at 5:30 when you used to sleep till noon, you're not the same person. Worked the night shift, then studied 2 hours, you're not the same person. Stayed in Friday to build your skill while they partied, you're not the same person. Identity isn't what you say you are, it's what you prove you are when nobody's watching. And after 90 days, you won't recognize the person in the mirror. Day 91. This is where most people break, because they think they're done. They survived, they rebuilt the basics, and they stop. You are not done. You are ready. Now you expand. The skill you developed, you monetize it. Not tomorrow, now. Even if you're not ready, even if you feel like a fraud, you offer. Because the market doesn't care about your feelings. It cares about value. And you now have value. The first yes will feel unreal. Take it. Deliver, then do it again. And slowly, the survival job becomes a choice. Then it becomes a memory. Here's what they don't tell you about starting from zero. It's not about becoming rich. It's about becoming functional. Rich is a goal. Functional is a foundation. And most people skip the foundation because it's boring. But every empire, every fortune, every legacy was built on boring. You won't get applause for waking at 5:30. You won't get likes for working night shifts. You won't get comments for choosing the skill over the party. But 6 months from now, when they ask, how did you do it? You'll remember these 90 days, and you'll know this is where it started. Zero is not a curse, it's a gift, because it's the only place where you can build without the weight of who you used to be. Day 1 starts now. Welcome to the Titan Manifesto.